my dear friends. Welcome to my channel NK Vision. Today is an auspicious day for every Indian as the nation is celebrating its 76th Republic Day. On this pious occasion, through my channel NK Vision, I Shraddha presenting my heartfelt gratitude towards my beloved nation by the following few lines, which is being titled as my duties towards my country as being a citizen. India is one of the oldest civilizations in the world with a kaleidoscopic variety and rich cultural heritage. It has achieved all around. As the seventh largest country in the world, India stands apart from the rest of Asia, marked off as it is by the mountains and the sea, which give the country a distinct geographical entity. Bounded by the Great Himalayas in the north, it stretches southwards and at the Tropic of Cancer taper off into the Indian Ocean between the Bay of Bengal on the east and the Arabian Sea on the west. I am an Indian citizen as I took birth here. Being a responsible citizen of the country, I have many duties towards my country which I must fulfill all that. I have to perform my duties in various aspects and all that are related to the development of my country. Duty is a task or action needed to be performed by each and every individual of the country on the regular basis for the betterment and overall development. Performing duty loyally is the responsibility of Indian citizen and is the demand of the development country. What are my duties towards my country? Citizen of a country is the person who lives almost his or her full life and lives his or her ancestors too. So, everyone has some duties towards the country. Take an example of home in which various members live together. However, everyone has to follow all the rules and regulations made by a most senior person or head of the family for the betterment and peaceful life in the home. Just like that, our country is like a home in which people of various religions live together. However, they need to follow some rules and regulations made by the government for the more development in the country. Loyal duties of the citizens aim to remove all the social issues, bring real independence in the country, and come under the category of developed countries. People working in the government or private offices must go on time and perform their duties loyally without wasting time, as there is a true saying that if we destroy time, time will destroy us. Time never waits everyone. It runs continuously and we should learn from the time. We should not stay until we get the goal in our life. We must. The most important goal of our life is to make our country a great country in true sense. We should not be selfish people and understand our duties towards the country. It is we, not others, who are both the victims and benefiter. Our each and every activity affects us in positive and negative manner. So, why we do not take please today to take our each and every step positively in all right directions in order to get protected from being a victim in our country? It is us who have right to rule the country by selecting a good leader. So, why we blame others or politicians? We should blame only us and not others. It is we who are not performing duties according to the demand. We have been involved in our own daily routine by only have and only any mean, not only any means to others' life. Extracurricular activities, political affairs of the country. It is our mistake that our country is still in the category of developing country and not in the developed country. It is a big problem. So, we should not take it easy. We should not be greedy and selfish. We should live and let others live a healthy and peaceful life. The bright future of our country is in our hand. Still, there is a time and chance for us. We can do better. Start living with open eyes and perform true duties towards the country. We should maintain the cleanliness of our heart, body, mind, and surroundings areas for the good start. So, dear friends, it is high time to arise and awake and go hand in hand to build our nation a developed country in all its sphere and a superpower in the global scenario. If you like this video, then as a memento of your love, give a like with your valuable comment and share to your friends and loved ones. Thanks for watching and love you all. Have a great day.